Hi everyone, meet Bob. He will be cooking his special Ratatouille Niçoise or Ratatouille. Is a French Provençal stewed vegetable dish originating in Nice. Let's get started. For ingredients that serve four, we need, for veggies, 3 tomatoes, medium size, 120 grams each, 1 zucchini, medium size, 196 grams, 1 eggplant, medium size, 550 grams, 1 yellow squash, medium size, 196 grams. For sauce and herb seasoning, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 diced onion, 1 minced garlic clove, 1 diced red and yellow bell peppers, 14 oz of crushed tomatoes, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh basil and fresh thyme, salt and pepper to taste. For the required equipment we need an oven, a pan, kitchen knife, and a cutting board. Follow our step-by-step easy guide. The first step is to prepare ingredients. Preheat the oven to 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. Slice the veggies, tomatoes, zucchini, eggplant, and yellow squash into 1 millimeter rounds. Next, let's prepare sauce. Heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat for 1-2 minutes. Sauté the onion, garlic, and bell peppers until soft or for 10 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Then add crushed tomatoes. Stir until the ingredients are fully incorporated. After a few minutes, remove from heat and stir until smooth. Add basil on top. The next step is to lay out the sliced veggies on top of the sauce from the outer edge to the middle of the pan, or in any desired pattern of choice. Season with salt and pepper. For herb seasoning in a small bowl, mix basil, garlic, thyme, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Spoon the seasoning over the veggies. Cover the pan with foil and bake for 40 minutes. Uncover, then bake for another 20 minutes. Serve while hot as a main or side dish. Enjoy! Thank you for joining today. Enjoy Ratatouille. If you have a fun recipe that you'd like to share, please email us at theboomereggmail.com for a chance to be featured. This video is presented by The Boomer M, a non-profit organization that aims to bridge the global digital divide. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.